You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. I know it is confusing. When you hear the pronunciation, you'll understand. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, stay tuned. You found the right channel. Aldous is how it's pronounced. I know it looks like it should be said Aldous, right? But it's actually Aldous. So it starts like old, you know the word old? Well, that's how it's pronounced. Aldous. Stress on the first syllable, you've heard it. How to pronounce English pronunciation, Aldous. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.